Hello, welcome to Astronautics for Exploit. This is Dr. Ayanshola Ogundele. Design for removal approach to spacecraft end-of-life capture, an aerospace engineering paradigm of end-of-life autonomous capturing and disposal. Design for removal is a proactive aerospace engineering paradigm that embeds standardized hardware and software features into satellites during their initial manufacturing, enables autonomous capture and disposal of spacecraft by servicing vehicle if they fail at their end of life. The real-world adoption of design for removal is shifting from experimental concepts such as RemoveDEBRIS Mission towards mandatory frameworks such as the European Space Agency Zero Debris approach, targeting active removal and 5-year orbital clearance limits. Design for removal approach directly targets roughly 10% of satellites that experience critical failures and cannot perform nominal deorbit burns. By transforming an uncooperative, non-operational piece of space debris into a cooperative capture target, design for removal significantly slashes the risk, technical complexity, and cost of active debris removal missions. The focus points are as follows: design for removal architectural plans, design for removal features and standards, design for removal compliant satellite architecture, and real-world adoption and mission horizons. Design for removal architectural plans. Design for removal is a core strategy in SI Zero Debris initiative aimed at making spacecraft easier to safely and efficiently remove from orbit at the end of their missions, reducing the threat of space debris. Space debris, defunct satellites, spent rocket stages, and fragments poses a growing risk to operational spacecraft. Further space re-entry vehicle is illustrated in this picture. Standardized mechanical interface. Instead of forcing a servicing chaser spacecraft to grab unpredictable components such as solar arrays or thrusting nozzles, design for removal mandates robust, predictable structural endpoints. Mechanical capture interface, a small passive steel interface which is optimized for robotic grippers or a latching mechanism to secure a capture before contact lock. Design for demise concept, a vital step towards achieving zero debris, is illustrated in this picture. Core architectural pillars of design for removal are as follows: launcher adapter ring, keep out zones. Excess illustration of design for removal is shown in this picture. Multi-tiered navigation aids. Before a chaser satellite can capture a target, it must precisely track its location and rotational movement. Design for removal breaks this guidance, navigation, and control pipeline into distinct passive spheres. The orbit mission idea is illustrated in this picture. 2D fiduciary markers and 3D vision markers are also navigation aids. Integrated end-of-life deorbit system is shown in this picture. Design for removal features and standards. Design for removal standards are engineering protocols initiated primarily by the European Space Agency in order to make future satellites compatible with active debris removal. The design for removal standards establish universal mechanical capture interfaces. Clear-sight concept of design for demise is illustrated in this picture. Core components of design for removal standards are mechanical interfaces, navigation aids. Orbit fab debris removal system is shown in this picture. Other components include the tumbling solutions and keep-out zone. Artist illustration of space junk orbiting Earth is shown in this picture. Operational scenario and trade-offs, cooperative removal. The target satellite is powered or dead, but its external design for removal architecture remains intact and accessible, drastically lowering mission risk and capture cost. Uncooperative removal, the target lacks functional control or standard fittings, forcing chaser spacecraft to use complex robotic arms or nets, which sharply increases operational cost. as atmosphere re-entry of a satellite is shown in this picture. Design for removal compliant satellite architecture as follows: mechanical capture interface and launcher adapter ring. A space debris slingshot is shown in this picture. Other core architectural elements include optical navigation markers and laser retroflectors. Clean Space 1A technology demonstration spacecraft is shown in this picture. Subsystem design impact include attitude and orbit control system, guidance, navigation and control integration, structural reinforcement, material selection. Clear Space orbital debris removal system is illustrated in this picture. Reward adoption and mission horizons. Space Agency frameworks. ESA is leading via a zero debris charter and is aiming for net zero debris by 2030. Academic groups test novel approaches such as Kyoto University's wooden pallet satellite. Artist illustration of space junk cleanup system is shown in this picture. Material and component shift. Engineers are swapping heat-resistant titanium and heavy alloys in propellant tanks, reaction wheels, and structural joints. JAXA passive orbital debris removal demo is shown in this picture. Mission horizons and challenges, such as the stratospheric trade-off and survivability versus demisability. Optical payloads, large momentum wheels, and thick pressure vessels naturally resist extreme entry heating, requiring complex multi-objective genetic algorithm. Astroscale space debris removal is shown in this picture. Shift from ad hoc to system-wide. Agencies such as NASA are moving away from late-stage ad hoc adjustments towards risk-informed, life-cycle integrated decision frameworks that balance active deorbit propulsion with passive thermal system. Clear Space orbital debris removal system is shown in this picture. For more information, contact Astronautics for Exploit. You've been listening to the Site for Removal approach to spacecraft end-of-life capture and aerospace engineering paradigm of end-of-life autonomous capturing and disposal by Dr. Ayenshola Ogunele, with the focus point Design for Removal architectural plans. Design for Removal features and standards. Design for Removal compliant satellite architecture and real-world adoption and mission horizons of Design for Removal. Thank you.